Go, Buster! See the shooting stars. By my calculations, the best place to see them will be up the top of the mountain.
Loading map. It's go time. This way. Follow me.
Shouldn't we stick to the road?
We'll get to the shooting stars in time. Promise.
I have a bad feeling about this. Woo-hoo! Nothing can stop me! Uh-oh.
Oh, skid marks. I'm stuck.
Me too. Oops, sorry, Ash.
Digley, quick! Pull us out!
We're gonna be stuck here forever! I knew this stupid shortcut was a bad idea. Why couldn't you just go the way I wanted for once? Never gonna miss the shooting stars.
We will see the shooting stars. We can get out of this.
How?
I've got a brilliant idea.
Forget it. No one can hear us. According to my calculations, we'll miss the shooting stars for sure.
Wait! That's it! Digley, what happens when you add water to mud?
I don't know. It goes gloopy, I guess.
That's right! And if you make it gloopy enough...
we'll slide out.
Go backward bunch! Let's move!
Ash! Splash!
It's working!
Look out! The cliff edge!
Ah! It's not a cliff edge, it's a stunt jump. Follow me!
Buster, are you sure about this?
Trust me, Digley. I won't let you down this time.
You, that was some shortcut.
Whoa! Look!
Ooh. This is a great viewing spot. We made it after all.
Sorry, Digley. I should have listened to you. Next time, maybe we'll just stick to the road.